It again, the ocean line.
تو قطره‌ای در اقیانوس نیستی. تو تمام اقیانوسی در یک قطره.
That's what kills me. Poetry was accurate before science had the instruments. Because it's not just metaphor. Carbon in your body was made inside stars. You are literally built from the universe's past.
پس تو کوچک مباش. در تو عالمی نهفته است.
And then this line. It's the punchline of the whole universe. We are a way for the universe to know itself.
پس این آگاهی دریاست که خودش را در قطره می‌بیند.
Exactly. Not far away, not out there. Here, looking back.
در خودت بنگر که آسمان همان